ஹாய் காய்ஸ், வெல்கம் டு அடிக்ட் டு லேர்ன். இன்றைக்கி நம்ம கரண்ட் அஃபேர்ஸ் ஸ்பீட் குவிஸ் பார்க்க போகிறோம். ஆஸ் த நேம் இண்டிகேட்ஸ், இந்த குவிஸ் ரொம்பவே ஸ்பீடாக தான் இருக்க போகுது. டக்கு டக்குன்னு கொஷின் பார்க்க போகிறீங்க, ஆன்சர் சொல்ல போகிறீங்க. ஆன்சரை கமெண்ட்டில் மறக்காமல் மென்ஷன் பண்ணுங்கள். அண்ட் நிறைய பேர் குவிஸில் இடையில பேசாமல் இருந்தோன்னா ஸ்லீப்பியாக ஃபீல் பண்ணுவீங்க. அதனால் நான் கொஷின் ரீட் பண்ணி ஆன்சரும் ரீட் பண்ணுறேன். இஃப் சப்போஸ் ஒரு சிலருக்கு அந்த மாதிரி சொல்கிறது டிஸ்டர்பிங்காக இருக்கும், அவங்க மியூட் பண்ணிவிட்டு இந்த வீடியோவை பாருங்கள். மறக்காமல் ஆன்சரை கமெண்ட்டில் சொல்லுங்கள். ஸோ இதில் நம்ம 50 இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் கொஷின்ஸ் பார்க்க போகிறோம். எல்லாமே நான் அஃபேர்ஸ் க்ளவுட்லேருந்து தான் எடுத்திருக்கேன். ஸோ அஃபேர்ஸ் க்ளவுட்லேருந்து படிச்சுட்டு இந்த குவிஸ் அட்டென்ட் பண்ணுறவங்களுக்கு ரொம்ப ஈஸியாக இருக்கும். மற்றவங்களுக்கும் புதுசாக லேர்ன் பண்ணிக்கிற மாதிரி ரொம்ப யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருக்கும். ஸோ மறக்காமல் வீடியோ பாருங்கள். அண்ட் நீங்கள் கொடுக்குற சப்போர்ட் வச்சு தான் அடுத்து பார்ட் 2 வீடியோ ஜான்வரி மந்த்துக்கே என்னால் கொடுக்க முடியும். அண்ட் இந்த ரிவிஷன் குவிஸ் எதுக்கெல்லாம் யூஸ் ஆகும்னா எல்லா அப்கமிங் எக்ஸாம்ஸ்க்கும் யூஸ் ஆகும். எஸ்பெஷலி இப்போ ரீசெண்டாக வர இஎஸ்ஐசி, யூடிசி, எஸ்எஸ்சி, எம்டிஎஸ் அண்ட் ஆர்பிஐ அசிஸ்டண்ட்டுக்கு ரொம்பவே ஹெல்ப்ஃபுல்லாக இருக்கும். வாங்க செஷனுக்குள்ளே போயிடலாம், ஸ்பீடாக பார்க்கலாம். As per the Transparency International's Corruption Perceptions Index 2021, India was ranked dash on the index, while dash Finland and New Zealand topped the index. Answer is 85th and Denmark. Second question. Which company recently partnered with Pencilton to launch Pencil Card, India's first debit card with National Common Mobility Card for teens? Answer, Transcorp. Which company built the world's fastest artificial intelligence supercomputer, also known as AI Research Supercluster, in Jan 2022? Answer, Meta. Name the decommissioned Indian naval ship that was recently handed over to the DO administration that will be converted as a museum. Answer, INS Kukri. Who authored the book A Little Book of India celebrating 75 years of independence? Answer, Ruskin Bond. Which country recently signed a $374.96 million deal with BrahMos Aerospace Private Limited to procure BrahMos missile? Answer, Philippines. Name the company that recently signed an MOU with NPCI International Payments Limited to enable real-time international payments. Answer, TerraPay. In which company Google recently announced to invest $1 billion to develop India's digital ecosystem? Answer, Bharati Airtel. Which of the following points are correct with respect to the records made by Indian players during the recent Test match series against South Africa from December 2021 to January 2022? Answer, only A and C. Which bank recently listed its first $300 million Formosa bonds on India INX and became the first Indian entity to raise money through Formosa bonds? Answer, State Bank of India. Which company recently partnered with FICCI to support 5 lakh women-led small businesses under She Means Business program? Answer, Meta. Which company 12th question. who was recently appointed as the Chief Economic Advisor for the Ministry of Finance? Answer Ananda Nageshwaran. In January 2022, Ministry of Heavy Industries launched India's first coal-to dash plant in the BHEL unit at dash. Answer Methanol and Hyderabad. Which of the following points are correct with respect to the world employment and the social outlook trends 2022? Answer only B and C. According to the Ministry of Commerce and Industries, India is set to achieve the targeted export level of dash in financial year dash. Answer 650 billion and 2021 to 2022. Who recently became the Prime Minister of North Macedonia? Answer Dimitar Kovacevsky. Name the company that recently signed a contract with the Mauritius government to export one advanced light helicopter, ALH Mk3. Answer Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. 18th question. Who was recently appointed as the Chairman and Managing Director of Air India by succeeding Rajiv Bansal? Answer Vikram Dev. Which of the following points are correct with respect to the cabinet approval in January 2022? Answer only B and C. In January 2022, Indonesia replaced Jakarta with new capital city dash. Answer Nusantara. According to the Futures Industry Association, DAS emerged as the world's largest derivatives exchange for the third consecutive year in 2021 in terms of the number of contracts traded. Option National Stock Exchange of India. 22nd. Which of the following points are correct with respect to the India assisted projects that were inaugurated in Mauritius in January 2022? Answer all A, B and C. Who recently won the Prime Minister election of Barbados for the second consecutive term? Answer Mia Amour Motley. What are the points that are correctly related to the Davos Agenda Summit 2022 and PM Narendra Modi's address in the summit? Answer only B and C. Who recently got appointed by UNDP India as its first ever youth climate champion? Answer Prajakta Kohli. Which country recently developed a 2 feet large artificial moon to simulate low gravity environments using magnetism? Answer: China. In January 2022, Dash published a study on artificial intelligence which ranked India at Dash position in terms of spending and investments on AI. Answer: Brookings Institution and 6th position. Who was recently honored with the Netaji Awards for 2022 by Netaji Research Bureau? Answer: Shinzo Abe. Answer: option 2, Shinzo Abe. In January 2022, Union Defence Minister Rajnath Singh flagged in the first multi-dimensional adventure sports expedition of India in which country? Answer: France. Which of the following points are correct with respect to the NPCI standardized limits for cash withdrawals and mini statements on Aadhaar enabled payment system transactions that was released in January 2022? Answer: all A, B and C. In January 2022, Dash became India's first city with a water metro project with the launch of first electric boats called Muziris. Answer: Kochi, Kerala. Name the bank that recently collaborated with Google to improve its customer experience through Abacus 2.0 digital platform. Answer: RBL Bank. In January 2022, Dash appointed as the new Secretary General of Organization of the Petroleum Exporting Countries for Dash terms. Haitham Al-Ghais and 3 years. In January 2022, Government of India announced to celebrate Veer Bal Divas annually on Dash from 2022 to honor Sahibzada Zorawar Singh and Sahibzada Fate Singh. Answer: 26th December. Government of India will hold Dash stake in Vodafone Idea after converting the interest on spectrum and adjusted gross revenue dues into government equity. Answer: 35.8%. The book Indomitable, a working woman's notes on life, work and leadership, the autobiography of whom? These are the last 15 questions. Answer: Arundhati Bhattacharya. Who authored the book Ratan N. Tata, the authorized biography? Answer: Thomas Matthew. Who was recently appointed as the new chairman of the Indian Space Research Organisation by succeeding K. Sivan? Answer: Somanath. Which of the following points are correct with respect to the India State of Forest Report 2021 released by Forest Survey of India in January 2022? Answer option 5, only A and C. In December 2021, the Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas set up the Energy Transition Advisory Committee that was headed by whom? Answer Tarun Kapoor. In January 2022, Finance Ministry retained the interest rates in small savings schemes for quarter 4 financial year 2022 same as in quarter 3 financial year 2022. Which of the following points is incorrect with respect to small savings schemes and their interest rates as of January 2022? Answer option 4. National Savings Recurring Deposit Account has a maturity of 20 years with an interest rate of 7.4%. In January 2022, Dash partnered with Common Services Centers to undertake India's Dash Cultural Survey of Villages called Mera Gaon Mera Dharohar through a mobile application. Option 4, Ministry of Culture and First. Which is the world's first company to reach $3 trillion market capital? Answer Apple. Which of the following points are correct with respect to the various inaugurations made by Prime Minister Narendra Modi during his visit to Tripura and Manipur? Answer option 5, all A, B and C. Which of the following payment banks was recently added into the second schedule of the RBI Act 1934 to be recognized as a scheduled bank? Option 5, Airtel Payments Bank. Last 5 questions. Who authored the book Mamata Beyond 2021? These are the last 5 questions. Answer your options in comment section. Answer option 4, Jayanta Ghosal. In January 2022, Dash became the first telecom company to launch an UPI autopay facility for both prepaid and postpaid subscribers in collaboration with NPCI. Answer Reliance Jio. Which of the following points are correct with respect to the cabinet approval in Jan 2022? Answer option 5, all A, B and C. Which of the following points are correct with respect to the recent IRDAI steps towards motor property insurances and surety norms? Answer option 1, all A, B and C. The Chinese artificial sun East recently set a new world record for a continuous high temperature plasma operation for dash at dash degree Celsius. 1056 seconds and 70 million degrees Celsius. Okay guys, இந்த செஷன் உங்களுக்கு யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருந்திருக்கும் அப்படின்னு நினைக்கிறேன். இந்த செஷனோட ஃபீட்பேக் சஜஷன்ஸை கமெண்ட்டில் சொல்லுங்கள். அதை நம்ம அப்கமிங் செஷன்ஸில் ரெக்டிஃபை பண்ணி முடிஞ்சால் பண்ணிக்கலாம். அண்ட் அடிக்ட் டு லேர்ன் சேனலை மறக்காமல் சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணிடுங்க. இந்த வீடியோ பிடிச்சிருந்தா லைக் பண்ணுங்கள், உங்கள் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ்க்கும் மறக்காமல் ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள். தேங்க்ஸ் ஃபார் வாட்சிங். ஸ்டே டியூன்.